What'd you do?
Stood too close.
Oh. Come on guys, we've got the DPS. Let's just do the fight clean. Let's not start greeding. Six. Come back. Stay through. Do like on us. Hello world. Balance C. Bails out. Bolt. I'm tanking.
Pally is small.
Now, with you. Defamation groups, get ready. Go. Nice heals on Tiger. Rotating hands.
Soft work after he TPs. Soft work.
Rotating hands. Far away. Tank stuff. You. The beautiful sticks. Side sticks. Tank stuff.
I'll stay left.
Bring it back in, no limit break. Pizza. Focus guys.
Okay, move a bit right. Good job.
Tank stuff. Base. Stay away from Bay. You can eat it there. I'm tanking. For now. You might vote it off of me though. I mean, take it off of me. Patch coming up. Blue tether go through. Going through. Stick, side stick, side stick, side sticks. I'm going through. Hey, do you need help?
Yeah, just for safety.
Okay, you guys move. Move, 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 move. Fade through, fade through.
Breaking now.
Corner.
Yep.
Time it. Go. You can get the stomp. Go sprint when I tell you guys to. Now. Go.
Whatever that one is, eh?
Pots are up. Need to spread it. Back in, guys. Back in. Everyone in. Pots, pots, pots. Oh. Sticks. Sticks, side sticks, side sticks. I'll be bringing the boss back into the center. Get ready for Hello World 2. Look at C. C is your starting point. Bails out. Look at your debuffs. Careful with the rots.
Bay is maintained.
Lycona 8.
5,
Lycona is
3.
A.
2, 1, 0.
Wait at 2, guys. Wait at 2. Can you move? Can you move? Wait. Wait until mine goes off. Wait, Bay. You as well. Everyone get the
Come
Bay's
take it
rot.
off me. Come take it off me.
And then go through. Go through,
Moving.
Bay. Deformation group, get ready. Go. Deformation group, go. Go, go. At the edge, at the edge. We need to come back in.
Shooting.
My reprisal.
Yep, I got a shake too.
Work.
Alright, here we go.
Rotating hands, focus.
Remember to Voke.
Yep, already evoked. Rotating hands.
Attaboy.
It's in between. Heal me. Tank stuff. I have HG if it's me. I'll have HG. We're gonna get sticks. Focus on your sticks. Run back. Run back.
I'll go far.
Tank stuff. Tank stuff.
I also have hate.
Tank stuff. You go far. And then bring it back into the center there.
Bring it to center.
Help A.
Cool, thank you.
We're gonna get pizza. Pizza. Up sprint if you need to. It'll be back up.
Your left, other way, like, yep. Nice.
Disengage. Tank stuff. Tank stuff.
I have HG if it's me. It's not me.
Hey, you
Need me to block?
You have to cross me. Yeah.
Yep,
Wait,
yep.
Wait.
Gonna home game.
Block now. Block now.
Blocking him.
I'm tanking. For now.
Can I choke you?
Yeah. That was the last one.
Cool.
Alright, patch coming up, guys. Focus on the patch. Healers, watch your mana. Patch, blue tether go through.
You. Venom.
Stick, side sticks. Going through. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Move, guys, move. Stay through,
Popping
stay
mine.
through.
Popping mine.
And then
Popping
it's
mine.
me. Okay, your reprisal.
Yep. I'm also gonna spread.
Focus up. We're gonna go out the asshole. I'll tell you when to sprint.
When's the refresh? 20 seconds.
Hop sprint. Go out the butthole. Go.
B.
At the wall.
I need a pay.
1 second.
Just fight this camera.
Just do the
Come back
mechanic
in.
shot.
Come back in.
There's not much
Pots.
damage on party here.
Hot. Sticks. Side sticks. Alright. Hit. Just keep hitting. Healers, watch your MP. This is enrage coming up. Remember to stack on the boss's left ass. Left fast. He's flipped. Left fast. Do you have shake?
Yes. No, sorry, 15 seconds. I'll get the third one.
You still, yeah. You still do your,
I'll reprisal second, yeah.
yeah. Don't use your virus yet, Mimi. My veil's out, my veil's out.
You want me to shake this one or last one?
That's the last one.
Yep, okay. It'll be a big shake too.
Use your virus for this one, Mimi.
Big shake going out.
Alright, burn. Limit break.
We got plenty of time. We're good.
Yeah, good job, guys.
Well done, guys.
Hey.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh man.
It's over. See you in 9 months. Dead game.
Dead game.